Talk.
Oh.
There you go. Hey. You ready for some Chicken George?
Chicken George.
2 to 2. Stop.
Okay, we got the ATIS. Weather looks good. Some clouds up there, but we should have no problem. If for some reason it gets too thick, we'll just turn around and we'll get Chicken George another night. I'll try to get us there. I'll get us there. I know how important this is to us. Alright guys, so SmallTownFlyer here. Today we are doing a kind of a last minute impromptu date night flight. Jill and I finished our chores early and horses and dogs are fed, so we have pretty much a beautiful day today, a little cooler than we've seen in the last couple days. So instead of just doing some pattern work today, we're going down to, or up to Whiteside County Airport in Sterling Rock Falls, so small airport, similar to Galesburg here. The only reason we're going is one, because of the good weather, and two, because one of our favorite restaurants is there called the Candlelight Inn. Fortunately, it's not on the field, but we called them and they are willing to deliver us some food, so we're trying to be COVID safe. We'll have the delivery to us. We'll either eat under the wing or take it and fly back and eat here. But their famous dish that we have is called the Chicken George, which is kind of like a chicken nugget, but it's just amazing. So it's worth the fuel to get there. And the time with my wife, of course, who's texting.
Ordering us dinner.
Oh, okay. Well,
Very important.
That's important. Alright, we're just going to shoot for a normal takeoff today. If we're not clear by the intersecting runway, I'll abort the takeoff. At that point, we'll stop and see what's going on, looking for engine pressure and everything on rollout here. Looks like no one's in the pattern today, so it's awful quiet. We're just going to take off and we'll proceed right on course. So, alright, Galesburg traffic, Cessna 9R1121, departing runway 3, departing the area to the northeast, Galesburg. Lights are coming on. Power set. Full RPM, manifold pressure is good. Airspeed alive. Positive brake, flaps coming up. What is that?
What is that? What the hell?
Is that a balloon? I think it's like a balloon with a heart on it. Aw, how perfect for our date. It was meant to be.
No. I thought it was like a drone or something.
Yeah, I know, it had a string on it. It was pink and it looked heart-shaped. Could have been a weather balloon, but I don't think they're pink. Line approach, Cessna 9R1121.
Cessna 9R1121, Quad City approach.
City approach, Cessna 9R1121. We're just passing 4,300, about 12 miles to the northeast of Galesburg. We're en route, Whiteside County. Wondering if we can pick up VFR flight following.
Cessna 9R1121, Squawk 0314.
0314 for 121.
Cessna 121 radar contact. 10 miles northeast of the airport, Quad City altimeter 2986.
2986 for Cessna 121, thanks. And Quad City, Cessna 121, we're going up to 5,500.
Cessna 121, right? 2987. Remarks? Density out.
Good. Yeah, Whiteside County traffic, Cessna 9R1121 is 10 miles to the southwest, descending through 3,000, inbound full stop, Whiteside County. So I haven't actually been into Whiteside County Airport before. We've got two runways. We're just going to go for the most favorable one today, which is runway 36, straight to the north.
Attending. Whiteside traffic 537 Alpha turning left base for runway 36, Whiteside.
Okay, we got some traffic in the pattern, so I'm going to be watching for that. They do have a small flight school here, so I hope that's a student. I'd love to hear people getting out. Today's a great day to practice landings. You ready? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Me too. That's a trainer, ATP. The flight school? What is it? Chicago.
Oh. I waved.
Alright, we made it to Whiteside County. We are now just waiting on our food to be delivered. We might eat it here or take it back with us. But beautiful day today, nice and cool. Really looking forward to this. Alright, after a long wait, which was well worth it, we have secured Chicken George in hand. Package pickup complete. Sun is starting to set here at Whiteside County, but it is an absolutely gorgeous day. Had an ATP student that took off right when we came in, but otherwise it's just been us, which is just a shame because it's a beautiful night for general aviation, VFR flying. So we're gonna load back up, get started, and head back home. We've got some food for my mom and us here, so we better hurry. That food smells so good. I hope we've got one hell of a tailwind because I can't wait to eat it. Smells so good. We should have had an in-flight snack. I think that should have been served at one point, but hey.
Oh, I failed at my flight attendant duties.
Yeah, we're an economical airline. It's okay. Guildford traffic, Cessna 91121 is final runway 21, full stop, Guildford. to Galesburg.